In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Jira dashboard to track your Scrum team's progress. Ensuring you keep tabs on your team's progress is essential for managing successful projects in a Scrum environment. Let's walk through the process together, simplifying everything you need to get your Jira dashboard up and running efficiently. First, let's open up Jira by heading to the website in your browser. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials to access the platform. Once you're in, the intuitive layout makes it pretty easy to navigate. Now, locate the dashboard option on your screen and click on it. This is where your central hub for tracking will be located. You might see existing dashboards listed here if your team is already using some. Don't worry if it looks a bit overwhelming. We're going to create a personalized dashboard to meet your needs. Next, look for a small plus sign usually at the top of the dashboard list. Clicking on this icon allows you to start creating a new dashboard from scratch. It's your first step in setting up a workspace that exactly matches what you and your team need for daily tracking. Once the new window pops up, you'll be prompted to type in a name for your dashboard. Choose a name that precisely reflects its purpose so it's easy to recognize in the future. Additionally, provide a description for further clarity on what the dashboard is designed for. Remember, clarity here ensures everyone within your team will know exactly what they're working with. After you've named and described your dashboard, you'll want to choose who can view it. Think about who needs access to the information and select appropriate viewers from your team. Next, assign editors, those who might need to make modifications as the project evolves. Sharing responsibility can help keep your dashboard current and accurate. When that's done, click on the Save button. This action secures your settings and finalizes the foundation of your dashboard. Let's enrich your dashboard with insights now. Use the search function to find and add a workload pie chart. This visual tool is excellent for spotting distribution imbalances among team members. Once found, just click Add and it'll appear on your dashboard. Another useful gadget is the issue statistics. Simply type it into the search bar and add it to your dashboard. This will help you track the status and number of issues easily. For accurate tracking, ensure you specify the project or spaces you want to monitor in any sections labeled as No Filter Project Selected. Proper configuration here ensures all relevant data is pulled into your dashboard. Don't forget to save each widget you add. Finally, click Done to exit the configuration mode, and voila, your comprehensive Jira dashboard is all set. Now, review your newly created dashboard, ensuring it captures all intended metrics. Customizing a Jira dashboard in this way boosts transparency and aids timely decision-making for the entire Scrum team.